Hello guys, Bricklick here and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I've seen leaks of the LEGO Arctic 2018 and they are bad. So this was Arctic in 2014. It was a good LEGO theme and it had some great colours and new pieces introduced. But this week the LEGO 2018 summer catalogue were leaked and the Arctic sets are very bad. So I've seen the new pictures and there's 5 sets coming in the summer of 2018 and June time they'll be released. But apart from the smallest two, these sets aren't very good, especially the huge LEGO set. So there's a big Arctic base camp kind of thing like the picture I just saw, and they're really weird vehicles and they don't look like natural like City tries to achieve. So there's a big one on 4 wheels that just a big square box and it has no resemblance of anything you could think of with a crane coming out of it. And then there's a science lab, and that's just your normal boring LEGO science lab. We've had enough of them LEGO. Give us something different. So that's not good at all. But then there is a really cool woolly mammoth in the biggest set that might just steal it for some fans. It is a huge LEGO woolly mammoth, like the Duplo size one I think we got a few years ago. I'm not really sure. And then in the £25 set, $30 set, there is a wildcat that looks dark brown, so I don't know what wildcat that could be, but tell me in the comments if you do know what that is. So that is cool and it's frozen in ice, and I think this £25 $30 set is pretty cool. It's a helicopter with 2 rotors and I think that's one of the best sets the Arctic's got. Then there's a little snowmobile like we had for last time and a starter set that looks quite good. So there is some good sets, but the biggest set's maybe the best set and that is absolutely the worst set. So I'm just really disappointed in LEGO. They could have done something really cool like the last one, because I did miss out on it and it'd be really cool to get it, but I'm just really annoyed really. So tell me your thoughts in the comments below and if you've seen these leaks, and tell me what you wanted from LEGO Arctic in 2018. That were my thoughts. It's terrible. See you all in the next video. Please like, comment and subscribe and turn on notifications to make sure you never miss a video. Bye! Thank you for watching this Bricklicker video. I hope you did enjoy. There's some more videos around the screen if you want to watch them. And please turn on notifications, like, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you all later in the next video. Bye!